Hey everyone, in this video we are going to make this pickup look like this. These are both 2017 Greenlight Chevy Duallys. These are the Duramax, and I bought these because I wanted some white Duallys, but I found these for $8 a piece and I thought I can remove a decal very easy. So that's exactly what we're going to do. What you will need for this particular project are Q-tips, and you will need lacquer thinner, or you can use acetone, aka fingernail polish. You can buy it for $1 at about any discount store. This project is really easy. Word of caution, this is your base coat. The white is your base coat. Everything that you see else is on top of the white, meaning you can lift that off, including these door handles. So you want to be careful with your lacquer thinner or your acetone, whatever you choose to use, and make sure that if you want to preserve your latches, the silver there, that you stay away from that as much as you can, because it will come up as soon as you get either product on it. We're going to use a little Q-tip here and start wiping this away. I'm getting rid of the black stripe along with the Chevy logos, and we're going to make a mess of this to begin with, and we're going to come back with another Q-tip with the clean part and make it look better, make it look pretty. And do not be afraid to use multiple Q-tips. You know what they cost. They're basically, well, they're not free, but they're awfully close. The only logo I can't seem to get rid of is there's a Chevy bow tie right there, and for some reason that is not coming up very easy. Another one, I've tried to take up these Chevrolet logos on the windscreen, and that's not working either. But for the big logos, which really concern me, on the doors, those are gone. Another word of caution, on sharp edges like this door line right here, this is protruding die cast. Be careful how much you rub there, because you can actually lift the paint off those sharp edges. You'll see that here on this edge. That could be a little bit of black ink that I didn't get removed, but I'm not going to continue on because at a distance, and for my purpose, this is going to be perfectly okay. Now that you know how to remove logos, go make something awesome. Thanks for watching.